Liebherr refrigerator model Liebherr 1,092,984 Troubleshooting. Liebherr 36-inch bottom freezer refrigerator with 84-inch height door panels and oval handles in stainless steel. Troubleshooting. The food is frosting over. The appliance has a small plastic bung which comes in the accessory pack. Ensure that the bung is fitted in the drain hole in the base of the appliance. If not, warm air is drawn into the appliance on opening the door, which creates frosting. The appliance is not straight, the door is at an angle.